Hi everyone, this is Dr. Labib, functional medicine expert from the Eden team. Today we're going to talk about another test that we do before your procedure. This is a test that looks at your toxin levels. Why are toxins important? Toxins are extremely important for cellular healing. If your toxin levels are high, the cells might not be able to regenerate, and the healing process after your Eve lift might not be as powerful as it is when your toxin levels are low. So one of the tests that we do is actually a urine test that looks at the levels of heavy metals, which are main culprits of cellular degeneration. So we look at heavy metal levels as well as micronutrients in a urine sample. So it's a very simple test. However, it's a very powerful test because based on those results, we will decide how to get rid of these toxins or at least reduce their levels in order to get better results. So if we look at this patient, for example, her toxin levels are pretty good, and this is a very good result. However, she has a little bit of aluminum levels that are, in the low range. Her arsenic levels are a little bit on the higher range, still within the normal limits. And it's very important to know that each patient is different. So we are showing you one of the patients' results that are extremely positive and a good result. However, we see other people with higher levels of toxins, and it all depends on your lifestyle and how exposed you are to these toxins in your daily life, from your food, from the air, from the water you're drinking, from the personal care product that you're using. So it's very important that each patient is treated in a different way, and based on the results, we will decide on how to proceed and plan a diet plan, supplementation, and then how to reduce your toxins by fortifying and supplementing your liver to detoxify these toxins. So this patient, for example, also has a low selenium level, which we discovered from this test. And because she also has some thyroid problems, so we recommended her to have selenium supplementation, which will also help her thyroid function and improve her micronutrients. So this is also a very important test that we do prior to the procedure. And then sometimes we repeat it a few months later to see if there's any improvement in the heavy metals and micronutrients levels. So very important to keep your toxin load the lowest in order to have a better appearance as well as an amazing result with the Eve lift.